Hello everyone, I am Sonia Ruhil, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Sciences, Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. In today's lecture, we are going to explore the topic People Analytics. Let's understand the history of people analytics. One of the first uses of analytics in human resources was human capital analytics. This discipline arose from accountancy and economics to help organizations determine the financial value of HR. Many HR experts believed that human resources should operate like any other business function like sales, marketing, IT, etc., and have operational metrics to track its effectiveness and the value created for the business. This is where the shift from HR being seen as a support function to a business function began. Human capital analytics has many limitations, the main one being that it is revenue-based and focuses primarily on the economic value of employees. This gave way to newer, more encompassing approaches such as people analytics, which is people-focused and attempts to solve business problems with people. It is also cross-functional and includes a variety of data sources like finance, marketing, customer, etc. to create actionable insights. While human capital analytics can only give you the average economic value per worker for your organization, people analytics helps you understand employee performance and how to optimize it, which has an impact on your bottom line. People analytics has also moved HR from prescriptive analysis to predictive analytics, which means businesses can make hiring, training, and other people decisions based on data. Now let us understand what is people analytics. People analytics, also known as HR analytics or talent analytics, uses data analysis to understand employee performance, evaluate HR initiatives, and make data-driven decisions to improve business outcomes. People analytics focuses on collecting and analyzing data related to employees and candidates to gain insights into various aspects of the workforce. The examples of applications include identifying patterns in employee turnover, assessing the effectiveness of recruitment efforts, evaluating talent management programs, determining training and development needs, optimizing compensation and benefits, predicting future workforce needs. The benefits of people analytics. Let us have a look at the benefits of people analytics. Making data-driven decisions and practicing evidence-based HR. By analyzing internal data, research and studies combined with expert judgment, experience, values and concerns, HR can make evidence-based decisions rather than relying on a feeling. This helps remove biases, temporary fixes, and inconsistencies. Second is, with data, organizations can increase recruiting efficiency by 80% and decrease attrition rates by up to 50%. Third is, shaping organizational strategy through HR interventions. Through people analytics, HR can turn data into actions and align facts to organizational strategy and business goals. By demonstrating how proposed people strategies can help the business thrive and meet its objectives, HR can gain a seat at the leadership table and educate leaders on how new strategies and processes will increase revenue and drive the business forward. The fourth point is improved employee and organizational performance. Dashboards and trends highlighting specific problems, including collaboration, workload, diversity and inclusion, and workplace risk assessments all optimize performance. In some instances, people analytics has nearly doubled employee output and thus performance. The fifth point is realizing cost savings. People analytics can help the organization allocate its budget more effectively by demonstrating the potential value of each dollar or rupee spent in different scenarios. For example, suppose data shows that a particular L&D program improves employee performance and revenue. In that case, it makes sense to invest more in this specific program and cut back on others that aren't producing the same. Likewise, One recruitment channel might continue to deliver you the best candidates who go on to be performing employees. You can decide to invest more in this channel and reduce spending on other channels that are bringing low quality candidates. The sixth point is closing skill gaps. Left unresolved, skill gaps can negatively impact employee engagement, morale, and turnover. People analytics allows organizations to understand workers' current skills and the future skills needed according to business demand, thus bridging the talent gap. You can identify the most suited employees to upskill, which reduces recruitment costs and helps you utilize the full potential of your existing workforce. Following this, you can recruit new talent to bridge any gaps that your current employees cannot fill. The seventh point is reducing employee turnover. Another great benefit of people analytics is that data and metrics can help you understand which employees are leaving and why, any higher than average turnovers in your departments, early attrition rates, your retention rate, and which employees are likely to leave. With this data, HR can work to reduce turnover and rates by creating targeted strategies that address the root causes of why employees leave the organization. An example of this would be employees leaving around the 3-year mark because of a lack of career development opportunities. Your strategy could focus on creating personalized employee development plans with career paths for your workers. The eighth point suggests improving recruitment and talent acquisition. Hiring the wrong people is costly to the business and organizational culture. Tracking key recruitment metrics, including cost per hire, quality of hire, and candidate experience, offers valuable insight into your hiring process strengths and weaknesses. This helps organizations understand whom to hire, improve their hiring journey, and reduce turnover and recruitment costs. Now let us discuss how do we adopt people analytics, or what is the adoption of people analytics. The adoption of people analytics refers to the process where organizations invest in, implement, and integrate people analytics into their workforce decision-making processes, ultimately leveraging data-driven insights to improve HR practices and business outcomes. Why is adoption of people analytics important? Adopting people analytics can lead to improved employee engagement, better talent management, more effective recruitment, and enhanced workforce planning. So let us discuss the benefits of adoption of people analytics. The first point says improved decision making. Data-driven insights enable HR professionals to make more informed decisions about talent acquisition, development, and retention. The second point says it enhances employee experience. By understanding employee needs and behaviors, organizations can create a more positive and engaging work environment. The third point states that increases efficiency. People analytics can help identify the areas for improvement in HR processes and streamline business operations. Fourth point says better talent management. Organizations can identify and develop high potential employees, optimize workforce planning, and also improve succession planning. The fifth point suggests data-driven insights. People analytics provides a framework for understanding the workforce, identifying trends, and making data-driven decisions. Adoption of people analytics is also faced with certain challenges, which include data availability and quality. Ensuring access to accurate and relevant data is crucial for effective adoption of people analytics. Second point says lack of skills and expertise. Organizations may need to invest in training and development to build the necessary skills for people analytics. Third point says resistance to change. HR professionals and other stakeholders may need to be convinced of the value of people analytics and be willing to embrace new ways of working. Fourth point is data privacy and security. Organizations must ensure that employee data is protected and used responsibly. Now, how do we drive adoption of people analytics in an organization? Firstly, we need to start small. Begin with a few key areas and gradually expand the scope of people analytics. Secondly, focus on value. Demonstrate the benefits of people analytics to the stakeholders. Thirdly, build a strong foundation to ensure that data is accurate, reliable, and accessible. Fourthly, invest in training and development to equip your HR professionals with the skills they need to use people analytics effectively. Fifth point is to embrace technology and utilize analytics tools and platforms to streamline data collection and analysis. Sixthly, communicate effectively, share insights with stakeholders, and demonstrate the impact of people analytics. That's all for today. Thank you.